Hi there, it's Gabriel here, SEO manager at Hike SEO, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some exciting new features in Hike that have to do with AI, cutting edge technology. So these features are the suggested keywords and also the sitemap and keyword review. So where do you find this in your Hike platform? You simply go to strategy and keyword research to begin with. And in this video, I'm going to be using the example of starbucks.com just so we can get a sense of how this technology works. So when you're finding new keywords, instead of having to come up with them from your head or doing manual research, Hike actually employs cutting edge AI technology to generate suggested keywords right here based on your business sector and everything else that it knows about your website. So if you click on suggested keywords, you'll see it comes up with some suggestions for keywords that you can start researching. For example, coffee shop, local cafe, best coffee. In this case, these are all quite relevant for Starbucks. If you click on show more, it will expand even more. And then you can click on the ones that you feel are most relevant. And it will basically start filtering the keywords here. And you can go through and pick the ones that are most relevant to you, that have a good search volume, low difficulty score, and it will, and you can add them to your list to start mapping them to specific pages that you already have, or create new pages, or even track them. So this is how you come up with additional keyword ideas using the AI in Hike. Now, once you have those keywords, we're going to go to the next stage, which is the Keyword Sitemap. And this is where Hike will actually tell you whether certain keywords are suited for your website or not. So this is a new column here called Review. And by default, you will see this hourglass, which means it hasn't yet been reviewed. What you need to do is click on Review Sitemap. And it will ask you, do you want a quick review of your sitemap in just a few minutes? Trained AI tool, review your keywords you've assigned and provide feedback. So you click on confirm, and it will take a few minutes, and it will basically go through the technology and compare the keywords with the page that you've assigned them to, and basically give you a feedback whether it's a good match or not. So once it's reviewed, you'll see a little check mark here. And if it's a good match, it will say, yep, this keyword, Starbucks coffee, is related to the content. And it'll give you a little overview of why it is a good match. And you just keep hovering over, and you can see if there's a question mark, it means that it doesn't match the intent or the theme of the page. So you might want to then change the keyword out so it does match the page a bit better. Okay, so that's basically the different icons when it comes to the keyword and sitemap review. So that's it, and it will really help you to make sure that your keywords are aligned to your content and your industry, and that will help overall with your SEO rankings and user engagement. So if you have any questions about this feature or these features, do let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in the next tutorial.